Welcome to Splash Academy. Today we have come with a new topic of computer. The name of the topic is MS PowerPoint. What is MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office which enables you to create smart and organized presentation using distinctive effects. One can add clip arts, diagrams, style text, designs, sounds, animations, etc. to make the presentations interesting and effective. You can use PowerPoint to create and display your presentation anywhere. But what is presentation? A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a sequential order which can be used to teach, provide information, entertainment, etc. As I told, it is a collection of slides. Now the question is, what is slide? The pages which contain brief information about something are called slides. So how it is helpful? Presentation helps you to present your information effectively and aesthetically. It can be used in seminars, meetings, classroom, group discussions. And now how I am making the video to show you. I also have made ready the presentation. So now you can understand how it is helpful. People present most of the time during a presentation can get a verbal and visual understanding of the topic. Presentations are a great way to connect with the audience, and I know you are my audience and you will understand. So let's move forward. First of all, we need to know about the tab which are present in MS PowerPoint. Can you see the orange one, the orange line which is showing here? This orange line is known as ribbon. This ribbon contains two parts. This is ribbon, okay? This together called ribbon. This ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. Each tab contains commands arranged in different groups. So what are the tabs present here? Let's see. First this is Home tab, Insert tab, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review, View, and Help. And tell me what you want to do. That is different, but basically Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animation, Slideshow, Review, and View. See, just under this Home tab, there are some groups. Under this, what are the groups are present? Home tab, this has features that allow you to edit slides, fonts, paragraph, drawing, and editing. As I told you, it helps you to edit the slides. See, new slide, layout, reset, section, then it comes to font. If you want to change or edit the font size, this is the font group. Then it comes paragraph. You want to make change in your paragraph, this is the group. By clicking here, you can do the editing of your paragraph. Then drawing, if you want to add any shape, if you want to arrange anything, want to fill the shape, if you want to give outline of your shape, you have to choose the option from this drawing group. Then comes the editing. If you want to replace any word, if you want to find any word, you have to choose from this group. So this is all about Home group. Now the next is Insert. This is all about Home tab. Next come Insert tab. This features allow you to add what it will help you to add: tables, images, illustrations, links. Then come word art, the text you can do the editing, and media clip, symbol, media. These are the things you can get under Insert tab. After that, it comes Design tab. This allows you to edit how your presentation will look. It includes the features such as page setup, and the themes you can change. You can change the background style. There are already some default designs are given under this tab that you can choose. There are some customized format background you can make ready. After the design tab, next come the transition tab. This transition tab allow you to edit the slide transitions, effects and transition timing. So by this is here it is given the sound. If you want to add some sound, if you want to give the timing, you want your transition to be on mouse click or automatically it will move after a certain time, that also you can determine by clicking the options under the transition tab. After that it comes animations tab. This allow you to add custom animations to your presentation. You can select from preview, you can select from animations, advanced animation, animation timing. These are the things which will make your presentation more attractive and lively. After this, next come the slideshow tab. This has feature that allow you to select how your presentation will be displayed. From here you can start your slideshow, set up your slideshow, adjust monitor settings and all. Review tab. This allow you to proofread, translate languages, comment slides, compare your presentations. View tab. This has feature that allow you to set the view of your presentation, create master view, show or hide features, zoom, switch from color to grayscale, adjust windows, add macros. There are many advanced features are present in MS PowerPoint. And a blank presentation allow you to create slides of your own. You can choose various options to make the presentation look attractive. Next come navigation. Navigation through the slides can be accomplished through the slide navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Suppose this is my screen, this option will show on the left side of your screen. Also, an outline appears from the material that have been entered in the presentation. To access the outline, click the outline tab. And here you can see, suppose you want to start from here. So you can click here. Navigation, and you can navigate. You can check. See here, you can see my 4th slide. This is my 5th slide. Here it is showing my 6th slide. You can navigate through the navigation option. So this is all about MS PowerPoint. It is a very vast chapter and MS PowerPoint is a topic which can be discussed further in next presentation. Thank you for watching.